Hello, everyone. This is Coach Wade, and we're on the Credit Card Broker side of the site. I will put a link in the description field of the video to bring you directly to this resource. But today we're going to take a look at the Kovo Credit Builder. And when it comes to Kovo Credit Builder, you can give yourself the credit you deserve. Sign up to build your credit easily with small monthly payments, instant approval, no credit check, and no hidden fees. Plus, earn up to 1% on featured loans, the ideal alternative to secured credit cards. When it comes to this incredible value, you're going to get payment performances reported monthly to the TransUnion, Equifax, Experian, and Innovis. Earn up to $1,225 in rewards. That's 5 times more value than the cost of Kovo itself. Lower your monthly interest payments when you have the higher credit score. Better credit makes owning a car in a home possible with higher odds for approval. Get your FICO score and see your credit score journey progress every single month. So this is how it works. You build with installments, pay $10 per month over the next 24 months, learn with courses, pick up useful skills, and earn with rewards up to 1% back on eligible loan offers. Credit needed is fair credit, bad credit, or no credit. So click on the apply now button to be well on your way to getting access to the Kovo Credit Builder. And again, I will put the link in the description field of the video. To meet again, you guys have a great day. Take care.